fresh row has broken out between residents in Dartmouth Square in Dublin and Transport Infrastructure Ireland in what is likely to be the first of many twists in the push to get the landmark MetroLink project over the line. Shortly before Christmas, a number of residents in the leafy Dublin suburb agreed to withdraw judicial review proceedings against the transport project and enter into a deal for the state to buy their homes, which back onto the planned Charlemont station. While the price the state was willing to pay for the Victorian red brick homes had been the subject of much speculation, it was only when MetroLink director Seán Sweeney went on RT radio last week that the price became clear. Mr Sweeney revealed in that interview that the cost of buying up the homes would be somewhere north of €30 million, a detail not previously disclosed and which a number of residents have now taken action on. The Irish Independent understands that legal advisers for the Dartmouth Square residents have now written to TII's legal team expressing their outrage and frustration that the MetroLink director would publicly reveal details of the property deal, which is understood to have contained specific confidentiality clauses. The new row shows just how sensitive these deals can be and will create a fresh headache for the MetroLink project and the government, which is determined to get the rail line to the construction phase during its lifetime.